Hi, if you were to purchase the Bluey birthday activity book, the customizable version from either my Etsy store or my Teachers Pay Teacher store, you'll get a PDF with a link, and the link takes you to this file, this Canva account file. Now you do need a Canva account to use this. Canva accounts are free to set up. You do not need to upgrade to the Pro version to use what you've purchased. So once you purchase it, this is the template that you get. You get the entire thing. I'll show you how easy it is to change the name. So all text boxes in this product are editable. So if I double click on this, I can easily change what I want to change. I can hit the undo button up at the top there. I'm not sure if you can see it. So I can easily undo something. Again, all text boxes can be customized, so you can change the wording if you don't love how I've worded it. But you don't have to worry about messing anything else up because all the other elements are locked, so you can't accidentally do anything to those. There are 3 places to change to your child's name, over here on page 1, and then there's another one on page 6 where it says happy birthday and you can insert the child's name. And then finally down here, thanks for celebrating with so-and-so, we had so much fun. And this page, because it is the only full landscape page, I would put that in the middle of the book so that when you open it, you see the full spread rather than half of the picture being on one side of the book and half of the picture being on the other. When you do want to print it, you just go to share, you click on the download button, and you have the option to download it as a PDF for printing, PDF for standard, and you can just go ahead and print it. I would print it double-sided and then just stack the papers together, and there's a dotted line on all of these, and you would just fold along that dotted line in order to create your book. Now, if you have a stapler that can staple in through the center, that's great, but if not, it still works. Enjoy!